Hi, my name is Petr Smirnov. I'm a postdoctoral fellow working in the field of computational biology at the European Molecular Biology Lab. And I've been living here in Heidelberg for just over a year now. I think that machine learning and the current rise of artificial intelligence is very exciting because it can augment human scientists. Humans are very good at noticing patterns, but we're sometimes not very good at seeing details. And with the help of computers, we can examine very large data sets and tease out which patterns are important and not important, which then form the basis of experiments that we can do in the lab. My research is interested in understanding how cancer grows in the human body. And what I'm trying to understand is if we can find any patterns in the way the cells grow that can then predict which mutations occurred that gave rise to the cancer. When I started my studies as a bachelor student in Toronto, Canada, I was actually studying mathematical physics. And so it's been a very long journey to be sitting here at Basic Biology Science Institute in Heidelberg. Coming to Heidelberg, I knew that I would be surrounded by, first of all, a world-class institute here at EMBL that has great expertise in basic biology, complementing my own personal strengths, as well as the university clinic and the German Cancer Research Center, which has a very deep understanding of cancer biology. The European Molecular Biology Lab, or EMBL for short, is international cooperation of between 29 different countries, where the governments of those countries decided to cooperate and support basic research into biology. I grew up and I did all my studies in the same town. And so when I finished my doctoral degree, I knew that I wanted to go abroad. Heidelberg was a very natural decision. Apart from world-class research institutes in my own field, it was also a place where both me and my fiancée, who is also a scientist, could both grow in our careers. What I like Heidelberg as a place to live is the fact that it's a small town that still has everything that you may want. There's places to go shopping, to have fun on a night out, to explore the historical museums and the castle in the town, while at the same time still being a very livable, bikeable, and green town. And what I think is very unique is that in Heidelberg, you can put on your hiking shoes and within a 15-minute walk, you can walk out of the town and be in nature. I think the most surprising thing for me when I first moved to Germany was that apart from the language, things didn't at first feel very different. And it's been only over time that you start to notice the subtle differences in culture and in the way people live. These small things can include things like the fact that the bread just tastes better here, or the fact that grocery stores will never be open on a Sunday, or that instead of talking about the hockey game, people will be talking about the latest soccer match in the Bundesliga.